Hey, I'm Nina, the resident yoga teacher at BookYogaRetreats.com. I'm starting a series of videos for you, the yoga travelers. So this is a beginner sequence of Moon Salutations, and these are the calming and cooling alternative to the Sun Salutations. As this is a beginner sequence, I'll be guiding you through very slowly using some alternative options with props, so anybody can give this a go. And as we build through the sequence, we'll quicken it up a little bit so you can get that sense of flow as well. Rest assured, this is a calming sequence and it enhances the downward flow of energy in the body. So if you want to get in some yoga practice later in the day, this is a good one to try. So you're going to start in the middle of your mat, and that meaning facing the side of the mat and not the front as is convention. Place your feet together and gently look down at your toes. Start to spread your toes over the mat and push the soles of your feet into the floor. As you do that, draw the attention up through the ankles, into the calves, engage your calves, then start to engage your kneecaps, drawing the kneecaps up, which begins to engage the thighs. From there, draw the attention up to the glute, push the glute together and gently roll the pelvic floor forward and up, sucking the belly button in and drawing the attention to the midline of the body. From there, you're going to draw your attention up the spine. In the mind's eye, lengthen your spine, and as you do that, start to lead from the solar plexus, letting the shoulders drop back and down, opening up the chest. Have your palms on either side of the body, relax your face, and gently draw your attention to your breath. Observe each inhalation and exhalation as it falls naturally. Just take a few moments here to connect with ourselves, with the breath, with the body, with the mind on your mat. So don't try and force the breath. Find your essential rhythm and use this as a tool to calm your mind. And then gently I invite you to start to lengthen the breath, drawing in more oxygen with the inhalation and with exhalation, feeling the lung expansion and the energy growing in the body. As you begin to lengthen the breath, feel that sense of awakening in the body. Take your time, focusing in particular on the exhalation. Take another 2 deep full rounds. And inhale and exhale. On the next inhalation, start to reach up with your hands, spreading your fingers and drawing your arms up towards the sky or ceiling. And then interlock your fingers and draw the index fingers up towards the ceiling. Roll the shoulders back and down, making space around the ears and shoulders. Open up the chest and gently look up towards the ceiling. Lengthen in the body now and feel that lovely stretch over the spine and the back muscles. Feel yourself long and strong and powerful. Take another deep full breath here. Inhale. On the next exhalation, start to move towards your right hand side, coming into a lateral stretch. So push your feet into the floor, continue to engage your kneecaps and open up the side of the body. Try not to collapse the hips, pushing that right hip forward and drawing the left hip backwards. Inhale, come back to the center. And exhale, move over towards the left hand side now. Opening up the chest, making sure that your hips don't collapse, that the weight is evenly distributed over the feet. Inhale back to the center. We'll do that one more time. Exhale over to the right. Inhale back to the center. Exhale over to the left. Keeping the hips nice and even. Inhale back to the center, and on the exhalation, step out towards the right hand side, coming into the Goddess pose. Elbows in line with shoulders. Roll the pelvic floor up and under. Open the chest. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, straighten up the legs and look towards the right hand side, opening up your chest, and then exhale and reach forward over that front leg. Bringing your hands forward and placing them on the shin if you need to, or on the floor on either side of your foot. Keep in mind that if your legs are really stiff, you can grab a block and place the blocks on either side of the foot. Inhale, straighten up, push your feet into the floor, and exhale, fold in. Another time, inhale, exhale, fold in. Inhale, and exhale, fold in. Inhale, look forwards, lift up the back left foot, slide it back and behind you, coming into the Anjaneyasana. Take a deep breath, roll the shoulders back. Inhale, exhale. If you're feeling good, inhale, reach your arms up, and exhale. Relax the arms, bring the blocks forward in front of that front right foot, and swivel to face the side of your mat. Exhale, really working into the hip here. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, lift the body up, move the weight over towards your left hand side and come into a squat, into a birthing pose. Try to move your hands off the blocks and bring the palms together. If you need to use the blocks, do so. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Release your hands, place them on the blocks. Lift up the hips enough to kick out with that right leg. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, and exhale. And as you do that, move the blocks over to face that left hand side, releasing the back right knee. Inhale, exhale. If you're feeling good, inhale, and exhale. Trust the hips. Release the hands again. Hands on blocks. Lift up the back right foot enough to bring it a meter behind the front left foot. Inhale, straight legs, straight back. Exhale. Inhale, and exhale. Remember to really push the feet into the floor as you reach through the top of the head, and exhale and fold in, drawing the thighs together as if you could bring them to touch. And then inhale and reach up, and exhale, come back into your goddess pose. 2 deep breaths. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale back towards the center. Exhale towards your left hand side. Inhale. Exhale towards the right hand side, lateral stretch. Inhale. Exhale. We'll do it on the other side now. Inhale, lift up. Exhale towards the left, setting the intention to focus on the left hand side. Inhale. Exhale. Right. Inhale back to the center. Exhale, step out, goddess pose. Elbows in line with the shoulders. Inhale. Exhale. Take the lower back by rolling the pelvic floor under and up. Inhale, face towards the left hand side, stretch up. Exhale, fall down. Hands on the blocks. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, straighten up, lengthen. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, lift up that back right foot. Kick it back and behind you, coming into the Anjaneyasana. Pausing, inhale. Exhale. Hands down and then hands up. Inhale. Exhale. Lower the arms. Pick up your blocks. Place them in front of that left foot. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Walk over towards the right hand side now, coming into your squat. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Push the elbows against the knees and then launch yourself up enough to kick the left foot out. Inhale. Exhale. Pause for another breath. Inhale. And exhale. On the inhalation, move the weight over to face that right hand side again. Lining the hips up to face the front, taking a pause with the first breath with the arms lower. And then when you're ready, inhale and lift up the arms, coming in to the full Anjaneyasana. Deep breath in. And on the exhalation, release the arms. Push your hands into the floor. Lift up the back left foot, bring it just behind, about a meter behind the right. Inhale, straighten up. Exhale and fold in. Inhale. exhale, inhale, and exhale. Inhale, straighten up, arms alongside the ears for as long as you can, and then come into your goddess pose. 2 deep breaths, grounding the hips towards the floor, elbows in line with the shoulders. Don't strain around the face. Inhale back towards the center. Exhale, lateral stretch. Inhale back towards the center. Exhale, lateral stretch towards the left. Inhale back towards the center. And exhale. We'll do it one more time, slightly faster. Inhale, reach up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale towards your left. Inhale. Exhale, step out. Goddess. Inhale, straighten up. Swivel towards the right. Exhale. Fold down. You can move the blocks out the way now if you feel warmed up. Inhale. Exhale. Just 2 breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, lift up the back foot. Kick it behind enough to come into your Anjaneyasana. Inhale. And then as you exhale, place the hands in front of that right leg. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Move over towards the left hand side. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hands to the floor. Inhale. Kick out with the right leg. Exhale. Inhale again. And exhale, start to move towards your Anjaneyasana. Relaxing that back right foot. Inhale. Lift up. Exhale. Lower the arms. Kick up enough to bring the back foot a meter behind the front. Folding in. Spreading the toes. Inhale, lifting up, straight back, straight legs. Belly in. Exhale, fold in again. Inhale and come up, arms alongside the ears. Push your feet into the floor. Feel the resistance against the floor. And then exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale back towards the center. Exhale over towards your finishing side, the left side. Exhale over towards the right. Inhale back towards the center. Exhale. Last round. Inhale. Exhale over towards the left. Inhale back towards the center. Exhale to the right. Inhale. Exhale, goddess. Inhale, straighten up. Face towards the left. Exhale. Reaching forwards. Hands are nice and warm. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, lift up the back foot. Making space in the hips, trusting the hips, and inhale, arms up. Exhale. Release arms in front of that left foot, facing the side of the mat. Exhaling. Feeling that lovely stretch in the hips. Inhale. Exhale over towards the right hand side. Squat. Deep full breath. Hands to the floor. Lifting up. Kicking out. Exhale. Twist to face your right hand side. Bringing the arms up, opening the chest, moving further into back bend. Exhale, release. Lift up the back right foot. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, fold in. Inhale and come up, arms alongside the ears. Exhale, goddess pose. Deep full breath. Inhale back towards the center. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Look down towards your palms. Elbows out. Take a moment to pause. Release the hands. So that's Moon Salutation. I hope that you enjoyed the session. Namaste. And find me again on BookYogaRetreats.com.